Steve from Steve's Home Cooking. So we're going to try something different tonight. So I've got some butter in a pan and it's heating up, and I'm going to cut up some veggies, which everybody knows how to cut up veggies, so I'm not going to bore you with that. So let me get those cut up in the pan. I've got some onions. I've got an onion in the pan, and we're kind of getting that cooked. Now I'm going to throw some zucchini in there and start letting that cook. And then we're going to throw some meat in here in a second. So now we have some chicken and some beef in there. Let's add a little bit of Japanese barbecue sauce. Now we're heating up. Okay, so now we're heating up some tortillas. Try not to burn my fingers. I know there's probably a better way to do this, but I've been doing it like this for years, and I'm used to it, so it's no big deal. Alright, so now what I did is put it on some taco shells. I'll put some cheese and sour cream on it, and it'll be a good dinner. As I've always said, it's better to eat at home than it is to eat out.